Have you ever started presenting in Microsoft Teams only to realize that someone updated the PowerPoint after you began sharing it? Or maybe attendees get lost because they don't understand a specific term or acronym. Well, Microsoft has just introduced two new PowerPoint Live features designed to solve exactly these problems. In this video, I'll show you how the new refresh and explain capabilities work, why they are useful and how they can improve your next team presentation. Let's dive in. Let's go. I am in a Teams meeting, and on the left I am impersonating Giuliano, the Luca, and on the right Adele Vance. So what I will do as a speaker of the meeting, I'm going to do a very classic thing. So I have a PowerPoint here, and to share this via PowerPoint Live, which is also the best practice to share presentations in Teams meetings, is click on this button, Present in Teams. Now the panel here shows up, and I'm going to present immediately my presentation in the meeting. So I have my PowerPoint file open here. I'm presenting, so I can go forward and back, and I have this new button now, present the latest version. Let's say now that I figure that something is wrong on the slide, or one of my colleague, a co-speaker, immediately find something wrong on a specific slide. What you can do now with this new functionality is change something on the fly. So let's say, let me add just text, the word text. It's autosave enabled, but I'm going to click again on save just to be sure that this thing is going to be live immediately. Now what I will do is I'm going to click on this refresh button instead of dropping the presentation, the PowerPoint live session, and re-presenting again the PowerPoint. Now all you need to do is just click on this recycle button or refresh button, and now we can see that the change have been applied on the fly, so we can see text. This is very, very cool. The second new feature is powered by Copilot. I am here looking the presentation with Adele Vance. Let's say there is an acronym or something that is not really clear to me. So what I can do here is use this new icon, select and drag text to ask Copilot. So I'm going now to drag and highlight this acronym because B2B and B2C is not really clear. So I'm going now to click on explain this text. Of course, Adele has a Copilot premium license, and that's the reason why she can rely on this capability. Copilot opens, and I can see here that in 1-3 sentences explain the selected text, B2B and B2C. Now Copilot is searching additional information, and there you go, business to business, business to consumer, and there is the explanation for these two acronyms. These are the latest PowerPoint Live improvements from Microsoft. While this may seem like small changes, they can make a huge difference in real-world meetings, reducing interruptions and helping everyone stay aligned during presentations. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which feature do you think is more useful, refresh or explain? Leave a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Microsoft 365, Copilot Teams, and SharePoint updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.